Alright, so today we're going to be making just a crane that you can it's pretty simple. 8.5 by 11 printer paper. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. First off, we're going to go ahead and start folding our square. So the square is basically, well, you can, if you already have square paper, you can just skip ahead like 30 seconds or so to skip this part, because right now we're just going to fold the paper. So you fold there. You want to make sure, well, the corner should be pretty good. And now we're going to flip it over, fold this in. You want to crease it right on the line, like that. And then since we're not going to be using scissors today, you want to use your thumbnail. Go all the way down, like that. And you want to open it back up, and then fold it the other way, like that. So like this. Now, if we go like this, should just go right on the line. Now we're gonna go corner to this corner to that corner. Now make sure you line up the lines. It's not about the corners, it's more about the lines. And now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and go like this. So now you should have something like that. And make sure you get the corners correct. Like that. And then you want to crease it right down here with that corner, and then you want to fold this one in, and then flip it over, and fold this one in. Okay, now that we have that, your paper should look like this. And then now we're gonna go the other way. And it's gonna look like, and then you want to make sure you have 2 flaps on this side and 2 flaps on that side. Now you're gonna crease it. Now we're gonna go like this. We're gonna grab 1 flap. I'm gonna fold it in like that. Fold it in like that. And grab another flap and fold it in this exact same way. Now we're gonna repeat this step 2 more times on the other sides. So we're gonna go the other way. Now it should be good. You don't have to crease it too good, just make sure you crease it. The other side. So now you should end up with something like this, and there should be like space in between, like that, both sides. So now you're gonna open it on both sides. Now, this is like the more challenging part, and I find that it's helpful if you fold it here on the side you're in. So now, see this little tip right here? I'm gonna fold that and pull it back all the way back to this line right here. Now with that, I'm gonna fold this in and then fold that one in too. Now with this corner over here, you're gonna fold it in like that. Now we're gonna do that to the other side. Now if you fold it in like this, it's helpful. So now we fold this. It's okay if it's like that a little bit. Just make sure you go all the way to the line. Pull this back and then crease on that line. Do it to the other one too. And then you should end up with something like a diamond. And that's good. So now we're going to open this little flap. It should look like that. I'm going to take this one. And then we're going to fold it up. Like so. It's okay if it's a little bit of a struggle. I mean, sometimes the folds aren't that good. But it's okay. Now we're going to take this side and fold it up like the exact same. Look at this. Now, we're going to take this and then just bend it in a little bit and press down. Like so. And then, there you go. There is our swan, or whatever you call it. Pretty simple. Yeah, thanks for watching. subscribe, if you guys want more videos like this, just put it in the comments so I can have like ideas in which I want, in which I can do and show us for you guys. Thank you.